Mastering online grammar and spell checker tools. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll delve deep into one of the most useful tools for proofreading and editing your English writings: online grammar and spell checker tools. With these tools, you can polish your work, making it free from common grammatical and spelling errors. Let's find out how they can be beneficial for you. Online grammar and spell checker tools have become indispensable for many English writers and learners. Here's why. Accuracy. These tools often use complex algorithms to detect errors, ensuring that even the most subtle mistakes are identified. Convenience. They're available at your fingertips. All you need is an internet connection to get instant feedback on your writing. Learning opportunity. By spotting your mistakes and suggesting corrections, they help you learn and improve your English skills. There are various types of these tools, catering to different needs. Basic checkers. These are often built into word processors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. They provide rudimentary checks for spelling and basic grammatical errors. Advanced tools. Tools like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid offer comprehensive checks, providing feedback on style, tone, and advanced grammatical issues. Specialized tools. Some tools cater to specific needs, like academic writing or business communication, focusing on the specific style and vocabulary of those fields. To make the most out of these tools, don't rely solely on them. Remember, no tool is perfect. Always review the suggestions and decide if they fit the context. Learn from mistakes. Instead of just accepting corrections, try to understand the underlying grammar rules or common spelling mistakes you might be making. Customize settings. Many advanced tools allow you to adjust settings according to your writing style or the kind of feedback you want. Take time to explore these options. Online grammar and spell checker tools can be a game changer for English learners and writers. However, it's essential to use them as an aid, not a replacement for learning. Remember, these tools are there to help you, but the journey of mastering English is yours. Happy writing and keep improving.